Hey guys, welcome back to Bogue Outdoors. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and on this channel we like to fish the Gulf Coast and we like to hunt the state of Alabama. Now last week I filmed a video. It was supposed to be a catch and cook. It didn't really turn out as planned, and I'm sitting here editing that video right now, and honestly I just didn't really like the way the video was going, so I actually scrapped most of the dialogue. But don't worry, I did catch some fish and I'm going to roll those clips for you right now. Oh hey, didn't see you there. We're going fishing on the beach today. See you guys down there. Alright everybody, welcome back to the beach. I'm out here before the sun comes up. I was going to start over there by that pier, but somebody has already beaten me to my spot, so I'm just going to get in right here and move that way down the beach so I stay ahead of him. And it is dead glassy out here. It's awesome. It's high tide right now, and hopefully that falling tide that's coming will keep them biting here early in the morning. Oh, there's a fish. Come on, stay on, baby. It's a speck. He's not big, but it's a speck. Yeah, he ain't big. Nice. I'll take it. Come here, buddy. I'm gonna give him a little bit of line and get him off the hook here. First speck of the morning. He might keep. We'll see. It's gonna be close. Get my pliers out. Well, got him. All right, there he is, guys. First speck of the morning. We're gonna get a measure on him. He might be legal. Let's see. From the tail, he is oh man, he's close. He's gonna be a little short. All right, well, that was fun. See you, buddy. Y'all, here's a good example of what I'm up against. Try and get some underwater video of him. Y'all, I'm trying to stay out of the water a little bit just because of those jellyfish, so I'm gonna hit these drains on the way back. Just see if there's any flounder hanging out around there. A lot of the times flounder will hang out around these. Yeah, alright guys, I think I got a flounder. Oh, it might be a red. My GoPro on? Yep. I wasn't sure if the camera was on or not, so I actually had stopped it and then restarted it, but I think this is going to be a flounder, the way he's fighting. I knew they'd be hanging out around these. I don't think it's a flounder. I think it's a catfish. Yep, it's a catfish. Never mind. Dang it. Hey, it's something at least. That's a big one too. These guys are fun to catch. They're just annoying. There he is. Catfish. Usually you can just shake them off the hook like that. They come off pretty easily. there's a fish. Probably a catfish. Feels like a catfish. Well, maybe not. It's fighting a little better. Catfish. The camera off when I hooked it, but I got something. He's swimming directly at me. Oh, it's a flounder. Cool. I'm gonna net him. I don't think he's legal, but it's a good looking flounder. Whoa! Oh, he came off of my net. Thank God. Let's see here. I don't think he's gonna be legal. He's covered in jellyfish too. Golly, these jellyfish have been so bad recently. I don't want him to come out. Okay, hopefully I can hold on to him here. Please don't flop. See if we can get a measurement on him without him freaking out. I'm actually gonna kneel down so that if he does fall off, he's in the net. Yep, see there, he fell off, but I got him in the net, thank God. Get up here, boy. Quit. Holy cow. Jesus. He is... He'll barely make 12, which is what it is. He's legal, I'm keeping him. Buddy, you're coming home for the catch and cook. One more look at him before I put him on the stringer. There he is. Oh no. Quick update. I said I was gonna take that one home for the catch and cook. Well, I was trying to measure him. He got out of my hand. That sucks. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It'll help a lot. And see you guys next time.